Welcome to the Knowledge Nest. Today we are with a new topic. Common and useful. Adjective. Preposition. Collocations. Of. Afraid of. Aware of. Ashamed of. Capable of. For. Eligible for. Grateful for. Eager for. Famous for. With. Blessed with. Bored with. Associated with. Crowded with. To. Addicted to. Attracted to. Allergic to. Kind to. About. Angry about. Excited about. Enthusiastic about. Happy about. In. Slow in. Comfortable in. Interested in. Talented in. By. Amazed by. Inspired by. Shocked by. Disturbed by. From. Made from. Safe from. Free from. Different from. At. Angry at. Bad at. Clever at. Good at. At. Hopeless at. Excited at. Mad at. Terrible at. On. Based on. Keen on.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.